Spectrum delivers internet through coaxial cables, and problems with these cables often cause frequent disconnections. First, inspect all coax cables for visible damage such as kinks, bends, or cuts. Ensure all connections are securely tightened at the modem, wall outlet, and any splitters. Replace old RG59 cables with RG6 or RG11 for better signal quality, especially on long runs. Temporarily remove splitters to isolate issues and replace with high-quality ones rated for 5 to 1000 MHz. Electromagnetic interference from household appliances can disrupt your Spectrum internet signal. Common sources include microwaves, cordless phones, and fluorescent lights. The signal-to-noise ratio must stay above 25 decibels for downstream signals to maintain a stable connection. Properly ground your coaxial cables to eliminate radio frequency leakage and reduce electromagnetic interference. Ferrite chokes are magnetic cores that can be attached to cables to suppress high-frequency noise. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer directly to the Spectrum router. Then visit 192.168.100.1 in your browser to access detailed connection logs and diagnostic information. If issues persist, contact Spectrum support for a professional line test, as internal wiring faults are a common cause of disconnections. Consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system, which distributes your internet signal wirelessly throughout your home, helping to bypass some coaxial cable-related problems. For advanced troubleshooting beyond basic fixes, contact Spectrum to schedule a technician visit for comprehensive assistance.